Hello, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a demo account on IC Markets with MetaTrader 5. So first of all, go to icmarkets.com and then navigate to Start Trading. Alternatively, you can go down to Try a Free Demo, but for now we'll use Start Trading in the top right. Click Continue and then navigate to where it says Demo Account. It's not that clear, but if you just click here, you go straight to Demo Account. Click Continue. And all you're going to do is enter your personal details, which is your first name, last name, email, and mobile number. That's all you're going to have to enter. It's nothing like financial information or anything that is too intensive. The time it takes to do this is about 30 seconds. You see down here, it's really short. And all that's going to do is sign you up. It'll send you a confirmation email that you've signed up. And then all you have to do is you have to log in once you've signed up. And it'll look like this. You go on to MT5. Going to click on Open New Demo Account. Now you can either choose raw spread or standard account. I always choose raw spread. Currency, in this case, I only choose GBP. I like to trade something that represents if I was going to trade on the real market, so trade in pounds. Leverage, it's good. It's fine to select 1 to 500, standard leverage. And the size of your account. So on this one, I'm going to select 10,000. It goes all the way up to, well, is that like 5 million? And then click Proceed. And at the bottom here it says here, your account was successfully created. So you refresh the list. And now it's populated here at the bottom. But if you go to your email, go to inbox, and you'll see here, your account details have been generated. So what you can do from here is you can download the MetaTrader 5 platform, and you've got the steps here in the email how to do it. So follow these steps either on your desktop version or the mobile version, and you'll be signed in, and you'll see that your account balance is there, and away you go. Happy trading, and thanks for watching.